Oh, you won't believe what I got. I got an A plus. Like, really, look at this. A plus in my test. Like, what? Like, how? Well, I have a trick for you. Just continue watching this video and you can get this super cool A plus here. So, yeah. Hey guys, it's Maya and welcome back to another video. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Maya. I'm 14 years old and I'm so happy you found my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be giving you 5 tips and tricks on how to improve your marks and get straight A's in school. And these are really simple and very easy to follow. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope this video will help you to get better marks in school and just to have a nice experience while having to study for tests. So if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe down below to watch more fun videos like this one. And I really hope you enjoy this video, and tell me down below in the comments what other videos you want to see, or other suggestions, or anything, what you like about my channel, all those things. I would be very happy to read them, and I would pay attention to whatever you write to me. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, so my first tip is to take whatever textbook you're revising for. So for example, mathematics, and you're going to go to the chapter that you're revising, and then you are going to highlight every important thing. Okay, so tip 2 is to color code all of your notes, because the colors make your eyes concentrate more on the paper and everything because of the brightness of highlighters. So what I like to do is I like to highlight everything, every important thing. So for example, I will highlight these as keys. So yellow is key definitions, green is dates, blue is as other things, other keywords, and all of these colors help your mind remember what each thing means, so you will be able to memorize things more easily, and it will also make your notes look much prettier. Is to have a very organized desk, because organization helps your mind be more concentrated and more peaceful. You will have a peacefulness of your mind, helping you be able to memorize things easier. So for example, in my desk, you can see that the other thing that I have is a pot with all my pens and flour and some other bits and bobs that I really need, but the rest I will organize somewhere else so that I can just concentrate on my work and not concentrate on pieces of paper and everything around me. So that is tip 4. Tip 3. I think it's 3. Tip 4 is a sort of like habit that some people have, which is snacking while studying, which isn't great because you start to eat a lot and then you have to go down to the kitchen, get food, you waste time. And the best thing is just to set a goal, you finish something, and then once you finish you can snack. But snacking while studying, for example having your food there and just taking it and eating it back, isn't good, because in the long term you will eat too many snacks, and also it will take you time to get to the kitchen and everything, and wasting your time for studying. So goodbye Hershey's. Now my Hershey's bar. That is very good Hershey's bar, by the way. I really need to memorize it. But I have this really good Hershey's bar, and I really want to eat this Hershey's bar. But I need to memorize circle geometry. Yeah, circle geometry. We need to memorize the circle geometry. But this bar looks so good, and I really want to eat it. So, what to do? I just watched a video telling me not to eat this bar, but I really want to eat it. Okay, goodbye bar. Welcome geometry. Yay, okay. A tangent and a radius meet at 90 degrees. A tangent is a line that touches just a single point on the circumference of a circle. Okay, I think I'm going to go for the bar. Do not listen to that, but we're going for the chocolate bar. Okay, so my final tip is how to prepare presentations and also how you can learn key definitions for your tests. So what I like to use is little cue cards such as these. So all of these little cards, they're really cheap. You can get them anywhere. You can get them at Target, you can get them nearly every store, and they're really good because you can just write the name of a word and then the definition on the back, or vice versa, and then you can just test yourself without cheating, because we tend to cheat sometimes, you know that. I'm not lying. I might also do them, so it's better to just have them so you can't take a peek. So you can also use these cue cards to write all your things for your presentations, such as information you want to tell the people. And then what I like to do is I just like to organize them. So one cue card for each slide. So for example, information about an author. So you write everything about the author on the cue cards, and then just bullet points, and then you can do a super presentation and get straight A's. So today I'm going to be presenting my presentation on YouTube. Here you go. Here's my wonderful presentation. So, what is YouTube? So, YouTube is a site where people like me post videos like this one, which you're watching, and they're really cool and super awesome, and you should go check out every channel on YouTube. That is impossible, but you know. So anyway, I don't need this anymore, but let's do this. Okay, so this was the end for today's video, and I hope you really liked it, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe down below to watch more fun videos like this one. And don't forget to tell me down below in the comments other types of videos you would like to see, or anything, your opinion, things I could improve, things that you like about my channel, and anything. I would really love to hear from you guys. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!